Hello, Kenisha.
Hello, Mummy.
Kenisha, I can see many birds here. Can you tell me about those birds? I don't know about these birds. Will you help me?
Yeah.
Oh, which bird is this?
Peacock.
What about this?
Hen.
And this one?
Duck.
And this?
Owl.
And this?
Little kitty.
Scary, yeah, even I am scared. Which bird is this?
Bat.
And I can see one green color bird. Which
Parrot.
Okay. Which bird is this?
Crow.
And which bird is this? So cute it is sitting near the nest.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Okay. And which bird is this? It's too big. Oh, look at its beak. It is also too big.
Vulture.
Vulture. And what about this bird's white color?
That bird is pigeon.
Okay. And what about this bird?
Eagle.
Having big feathers?
Eagle.
Eagle. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, can you tell me? Which bird can talk?
Parrot.
Parrot can talk. Okay. Which bird can duck fly?
No.
It cannot fly. Okay. Then what about hen? Can it fly?
No.
Okay, these all are flightless bird. Okay. And I can see one big it's
Vulture.
vulture. Okay. What does vulture eat?
Worm.
What does vulture eat?
Mama.
Does it? Tell me, what does it eat?
That.
Vulture. What does vulture eat?
Flesh.
Flesh.
Animal.
Flesh of animals. Okay. And can you tell me
Peacock.
peacock. Okay. Which bird dances when it's raining? Which bird dances?
Peacock.
Peacock dances. Okay. It's have colorful feathers, isn't it?
Look.
Yes. And now, which bird can swim?
Mummy. Duck will swim.
Duck can swim. Okay.
I got duck. Peach.
Kenisha, in olden days, which bird used to carry letters like postman? Which bird is this?
Pigeon.
Oh, pigeon used to act like postman? Okay. Thank you, Kenisha.
Thank you, Mummy. Bye.
Bye.